Hi, everybody. Welcome back. This is Option Talks with Tim Moden. It is May 26, 2020. It's a Tuesday here. This is Option Talks. We back here about to trade on this good Tuesday. This is definitely not on the original schedule how we always trade. If you're a new subscriber or a new follower on my Instagram or YouTube channel, we trade the S&P 500 in the options market on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Yesterday actually was a national holiday, so the markets were closed. So Tuesdays make it 4, Mondays expiration. So we trading today, expires today, and let's get some money. All right, so it is 3 o'clock p.m. I had some Zoom calls early this morning. I worked out, so I couldn't really start my call or start my video around at 1 o'clock or 12:30 like I usually do. So I'm back here at 3 o'clock just to give you a little update and just show you how the chart is working and what trades I got in, what did Braxton and Jaren, what type of trades they got in as well. All right. As you can see, I always screen share with y'all on tradingview.com, 30-minute chart on the S&P 500. All right. So right now, just to show you what I did or what trade I'm in a put at 28.05 all the way down here, 200 points away. I'm in it for a swing trade right now, and I'm holding this until Friday expiration. Friday expiration, and make some good money. All right. So, and for Jaren, he's at a put at 28.85 as well. Now everybody's in puts right now. All right. He's at 29.85. Brax is at 29.75. All right. Make his black. Braxton's line is black. Jaren's gonna be red. All right. So we all in puts right now. Simply just because if we go back, to how price was before today, price was closed at 29.55. Especially if you watch my Monday preparation video, Memorial Day special, I posted yesterday, and how we prepare for today. Price closed on Friday at 29.55. So we did our if statements. What happened? Price does this and that. So we say our first scenario: if price gaps up, it has to break these two highs. If price gaps up and break these two highs, we are looking for puts in this area. All right. Definitely looking for puts in this area right here below the 29.50 area, 29.60. All right. Definitely looking for puts in this area right here. All right. If price gaps up and break those two highs, like we said. All right. All right. So, and if we fast forward until today, price definitely gapped up this morning at 9:30, broke those two highs, and that's why Braxton and Jaren's are in those puts at 29.85 and 29.75. And for me, I just want to be a lot. The price was just a little closer for me, so my risk tolerance, I just want to be far away. So I'm doing a swing trade to Friday at 28.05. And you see how far price is over 200 points away. And simply from this pivot right here, broke the high that made it, and it broke this high right here to make it even better. So I'm glad price broke those two highs, and this pivot is great. So prices just continue to go up. I'm just going with the trend at this point and just holding it until Friday. All right. But right now price is at 3,009. And right now price is holding above their pivots, and let's see how price hopes. All right. And as you can see, price is definitely is far away from my put, and that's what I wanted until Friday. But there's another swing trade I'm doing, and Braxton and Jaren doing some day trades today. All right. So that's the updated trades. If you want to take these trades, like I said, take it at your own risk. We are not a financial firm or investment firm, or nor we give financial advice. However, we just want to show you the power and the knowledge that the S&P can give you in the options market, give you passive income and freedom. All right, to do anything what your heart desires. All right, but these are the trades for right now as we speak, and yeah, and like I always do, I keep it updated. It's 3:02 p.m. and I'll be back at 4 o'clock when it's payday. All right, paycheck time, 4 o'clock. All right, and that's what we do at Option Talks. We just want high probability, high reward trades, and the key thing, we always want probability on our side at all times. All right, and that's how we roll Option Talks. All right, stay tuned. All right, everybody, welcome back. It is 4:07 p.m. It is past 4 o'clock. We got our paychecks today. If you traded today, 4 o'clock is a good time for all of us. It's just a time of calm, peace at this point, especially off of what prices did in the last 30 minutes of the day. I would say the last hour of the day, that started at 3 o'clock. So as you can see, price closed at 29.91. As you can see, the last 30-minute candle, that price definitely tanked a little bit. It went down good 10 points in the last 30 minutes. It definitely scared some people, definitely scared Jaron because his put was at 29.85. You see how price barely touched it and went back up, but it closed above. He was wrong on direction, but he still made money because price definitely closed above his put. Braxton put stayed good at 29.75. My put at 28.05 is still good for the next 3 days. So I just need price to close above my put at 28.05 by the end of Friday at 4 o'clock. But other than that, today was a good day. Definitely a little scary, a little panic a little bit, but it worked out just based off of price gapped up, broke those highs. This area right here in between this gap is a good area of demand, and that's why price held and it did not go down any further. All right, and it's crazy because price did not have any news. The SBS didn't have any news the last 30 minutes. It's just sellers. Sellers came into play in the market to cause that little drop and definitely scared some people. All right, but definitely a calm day. And just the last 30 minutes, it went a little panic, but it's all right. We still made money. We didn't lose, but we just go off our simple strategy, our rule base, and just stay disciplined and just take our emotions out and just stick to the rules and stick to the strategy and trust it. And that's what Jaron did. And for him to stay in that trade, definitely took a lot of heart and a lot of courage to stay in that trade based off of where price was with his put. But this is how the trades went for today, and this was our payday at 4 o'clock on this good Tuesday trade. Um, Definitely be on the lookout for the option talks education that comes out or launches on May 30th at 12 o'clock p.m. If you have any comments or any questions, comment in the video in the comment below on the video, or just DM me on Instagram and whatnot, and definitely we will answer your questions. All right. With the option talks education coming up on May 30th, that's just for people that want to join and learn how we trade at option talks, learn the common sense strategy, how to stay disciplined, how to stay patient and consistent with what we teach. And yeah, it's very simple. It's common sense, and that's why we call it common sense strategy. And because the way we trade is just simply because price need to do this or that, 3-step process that we need for price to do for us to make money. All right, it's that simple, and can't beat it. All right, but this was a trade today, and this is how today went for us. High reward trades, and just sticking to our rules. All right. Just be on the lookout for tomorrow's trade, which is Wednesday, because Wednesday expiration, and we'll be back at it, trying to make some money tomorrow. All right. Yeah. Have a great day.